What's happening, everybody? Hope y'all are having a wonderful day because I am. So today we are going to be talking about Cardano, because Cardano has some really big news coming out with smart contracts only having 1 day left until release. So we are going to talk about that, and we're going to talk about my price predictions later on in the video, and then we're also going to do a little bit more talking about Cardano. But anyways, guys, let's jump straight into this one. So right now, this is the input output Twitter thread right now. As you can see, they're saying join us on Sunday, September 12th, which is tomorrow, for the Alonzo HFC event and the start of Cardano's smart contract era. So basically, we'll watch the epoch rollover together with the chat team about how far we've come and what's to come next in the journey, guys. And there's a lot to come next in this journey with Cardano, and we will definitely be talking about this in later videos. So join us ahead of the epoch boundary. So with this is the time for right here via YouTube, and it's going to be live streamed, so you can definitely come and check this out through IOHK on live stream, guys. So this is definitely gonna be something interesting to do and watch, and it'll definitely be like time consuming. But anyways, this is the current cryptocurrency market right now. This is how everything is going. We have Bitcoin at 45,000, we have Ethereum at 3,300, and we have Cardano at number 3 at $2.71, and it is up 15%. So right now we have current market cap of $86 billion, and we also have a current volume of $8 billion. So there's definitely a lot of money flowing into Cardano as of today, and this past week in general, in anticipation of the smart contract release. Alrighty, so before we get into smart contracts, we're going to read this article here on Input Output by Olga, so definitely give the writer some credit right there for this one, because this is a very, very good read. As you can see here, Cardano is a UTXO-based blockchain which utilizes a different programming paradigm for decentralized applications, dApps, from other account-based blockchains like Ethereum. So the specific flavor Cardano uses is the extended unspent transaction output EUTXO model. So this, introduced by the Alonzo upgrade, EUTXO offers greater security, allowing for smart contract execution, cost predictability without unpleasant surprises, guys. So we're not going to have them unpleasant surprises that we have on Ethereum, guys. You know what I mean? So this sequence of transactions requires a sequence of validators to split the logic across different branches and enforce more parallelism. So this is basically essential to build dApps and other solutions using multiple UTXOs. That basically just states that this helps dApps build on Cardano by not limiting them to one transaction per block. The article basically goes on to talk about how the Alonzo hard fork event will basically introduce the building blocks for Plutus 1.0. So this is the beginning of a growing ecosystem, guys, and although it is still early, the Alonzo testnet allows developers to access systems, properties, and build on scalable dApps in advance, preparing for the mainnet launch. So basically, dozens of projects have already been working with local instances of Plutus environments, with the main public testnets coming out soon, which is going to be supporting smart contracts, and they expect a significant ramping up of activity over the next few weeks and in the next few months ahead of this month, which is September, guys. So we also have the Cardano Summit coming up on September 25th, which will showcase many of these projects, plus provide important updates on the smart contract roadmap and ongoing evolution of the technology stack that is under Cardano. So basically, guys, this is definitely something you're going to want to watch out for, which is the Cardano Summit coming up on September 25th. But without further ado, let's go ahead and look into some price predictions and check out the current price of Cardano. All right, y'all, so the moment we've all been waiting for, Cardano price predictions right here and chart analysis. So as you can see, we are at $2.69 right here, and this is the chart right here. So with Cardano right now, this is the trend line that I have set up for Cardano, and as you can see, back in July, we were actually trading within the trend line, and then we went way above the trend line, and then we had that dip right here from the whole leverage thing with El Salvador. But anyways, we are going to take a look at this right now. So this red line right here I have drawn out because this red line is what I think would happen if we were to go down, but I really do not see Cardano going down, so I'm not going to cover it too much. But basically, if we were to go down, we wouldn't go down by much. As you can see here, guys, we'd fall back into the trend line around $2.34, which I highly do not think is going to happen. But anyways, as you can see, we are trading outside of the trend line, and Cardano has done this quite a few times actually. And even with the dip, we were still outside of the line, which is very, very impressive. Because as you can see here, I'll come back to this right here. This is the previous time that Cardano kind of ripped up out of a trend line, and this was back in January around 29 cents, and then that's when they had the big shoot up. And even when they did have the decent dips, they didn't go back into the trend line until around March of 2021, which is very impressive for Cardano. And as you can see here, these two charts actually resemble each other quite well, almost, if you ask me, but this one looks a lot more bullish in my personal opinion. So let's come over here and continue to look into what's going on here. So we're going to scroll up here some more. So these are my future predictions right here. So these two dotted lines are sell points for me. Not for me personally, but where I believe other people are going to be selling at. So we're going to see a big influx of sellers around $3.80. And the people that I believe that are going to be selling around $3.80 are the traders that believe that they are going to be outsmarting the other traders that are going to be selling at $4, which is going to be a big catalyst for Cardano, because that would be a new all-time high. And $4 is just a number, like that number. It's 4. It's like the even number right there for people to sell out. So pretty much all the people that think they're going to be outsmarting the other traders will be trading about 20 cents before the $4 mark. And then everybody else is probably going to be selling out at around $4 if that were to possibly happen. Of course, I'm not sure. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I can't see into the future. But from what I've seen on previous charts, I'm pretty sure there's going to be a decent amount of selling between the $3.80 and $4 range. And then after that selling is done with, we should be able to progress. And I believe that we will see Cardano hit at least this bottom level right here as an all-time high, which would be $4.40. And the highest I believe that it can touch would be $5.50 in my personal opinion, before we go any higher. So I believe the height of this run for Cardano is going to be $5.50, but that's my personal opinion. I know some people are saying they believe it's going to hit like $10. I believe it'll hit $10 by the end of the year, but I believe just for right now with this smart contract release, I believe it's going to hit $5. And I've also heard people say they think Cardano is going to hit $100 by the end of the year. Now I honestly do not believe that at all. If it does, then great, I'll be wrong on that one. I'll be glad with being wrong on that one, but I honestly don't believe we'll see a $100 Cardano by the end of the year. I believe we should see a $100 Cardano within the next year to about 2025. Anywhere between that time, we should see a $100 Cardano. But anyways, guys, definitely expect some buy the rumor, sell the news on Cardano as well, because I honestly believe we are going to see a little bit of a sell-off, but I don't think it's going to be a strong enough sell-off to pull Cardano down with the amount of momentum that we should have. But end of the year price prediction for me with Cardano is going to be between $10 and $20, with $15 being the medium. And that's honestly where I believe Cardano is going to end up at for this year. But and that's my conservative rate, which is the $10. So if I was being completely bullish, I would go with the $20 to $30 range, 37 being the max number for me. But as of right now, that's just where I'm seeing Cardano going. If you guys have any other opposing views on where you think Cardano is going to go price-wise, definitely leave them in the comment section below, because I will definitely be interested in seeing where you guys think Cardano is going to be at. But that's all I've got for today's video, guys. Cardano is definitely going to be a very, very interesting thing to watch within the next coming days. This is going to be very, very fun. I'm super excited to see where this goes. But anyways, guys, that's all I got for today's video. I really appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.